Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. Today I am going to show how to make blueberry baked yogurt. We need cream, curd, milk maid and blueberry filling. First we are going to pour curd in this bowl and nicely whisk until lumps going on. Now we can see all lumps finish. Now we pour cream and mix together. After that, pour milk maid and mix again. The mixture is ready. Now we will pour the mixture in ceramic bowl. Now we will bake in double boiler for 140 degrees centigrade 8 to 10 minutes. For double boiler we need to put some water, and now we are going to bake it. Now I am going to putting baked yogurt in oven. We need to bake 140 degrees centigrade for 8 to 10 minutes. After baking we need to chill. After removing from the fridge, our baked yogurt is properly set, and I am going to put blueberry filling on top.